Hello guys, this is just a quick video on the Suzuki Splash, and I'm pretty sure it's the same on the Vauxhall or Opel on some of the models, that you got the gear cable that attaches there, and obviously before you start pulling it off using a bar, etc. This might save you some time. I just wanted to show you how to remove it, and for that all you have to do is basically get this plastic tab off of there. It slides that way, you just have to lift it on that edge there, as you can see as I'm doing here. But be careful because it's plastic. I would use a bit of WD-40 on it, and once you lift it you kind of have to push it. You will need two hands, I'm just filming. So once you lift it up past that tab, you'll have to use something to push it out, and that's how it comes off. Once it comes off, I'm going to show you what happens. Let me just use both of my hands to be able to pull that tab out. So I've just used a tiny little screwdriver I got under that groove there, and obviously as you can see now it's coming out. Like I said, WD-40 will definitely help because it's plastic and you don't want to be snapping it, because you will need to reuse it. There we are. Make sure you don't drop it. Now the top bit just comes off, as you can see there. Put it somewhere safe, and that should just lift off. There you go, that's the gear cable disconnected. So once that one is off, obviously you got one at the back there, and for that one you're literally just going to need a tool like this, and if you get it behind it, there's a rubber seal on it. You just push it off. Just don't lose that rubber seal. As you can see, it's already off. So just try and get hold of the rubber bit, because it helps it locate on there. This one's a bit damaged, but it should be fine to reuse it. As you can see, that's off now. And the next step will be, obviously if you're removing the gear cables or if you're doing a clutch, you need to get to 12mm there and the other 12mm behind there to remove the bracket that holds them on there. Or you can just obviously slide the cables out of there. By the way guys, just before I go, if you do wanna obviously not want to take the bracket and just want to replace the cables, which apparently a lot of them do go wrong, to remove them out of the bracket, we have to is just pull the plastic bit that you can see there back, so it slides back. So if you just grab hold of it and push it back, and then you can lift it. Again, it's hard to do with just one hand, but just push it back. You might have to squeeze with a WD-40 on it. And that will come out. There you go, as you can see. Just to show you again, pull that back, that white plastic bit slides back, and then it releases it so you can get it out of there. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.